guys are clicking on is how to repair your silicone hand. If you enjoy it, like it, find it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So jumping to the video, this is the silicone hand that I will leave the video linked below. I received from Red Iguana. I want to say a couple months ago, I did a review on it. I received that, the nails, the adhesive, which is like a Gorilla Glue kind of thing. So this is my attempt to repair it because upon following the instructions of how to remove the nails, we ended up removing some skin, got a little hectic, and honestly, after that, I just gave up. So this is the Silicone adhesive that is by Red Iguana, or you can purchase on rediguana.com as well. It does retail for $25 USD, or you can just interest-free installments by Afterpay. It's $35, but you can get more information if you check the site. It will be in the description. So what I'm doing here is picking off anything that should not be. I believe I ordered, I don't know which one I asked for. I want to say it's Lucy. I'm not sure. I know the lighting does distort how it really looks. As you can see right here, it shows you the different colors. It's sunlight, natural light, ring light, phone light, this little light of mine. So I'm just trying to take it off as easily as possible. What you also see under the hand is going to be the rose gold foil that was reviewed from another seller. I will put that in the description as well. But as you can see, I am using alcohol and acetone, and unfortunately it is not able to take the powerful the powers that be that are in the acetone, because it's just coming off. But hey, it's pink, it's rose gold. I thought it was cute. I would still recommend you get the foils. They are convenient for when you want to soak off, but the color won't stay. So I am using just my cuticle pusher, the other end of it, to try and remove a bit of the adhesive from sticking the nail that you can purchase off of their website onto the silicone hand, that I would then, just cut down to the level of my choosing, and then add my extension, whether I'm going to build one or use a tip. So that's all I'm doing. So it's cleanup time. So because I do what I do to this hand, it really didn't make a big difference. Here you see me wiping it down, making sure I've gotten off everything that I was able to remove. At one point, I couldn't tell what didn't belong and what did belong. And then under the finger, the wiring popped out. It pretty much tells you how to clean your hand when you purchase it. When you receive it, unfortunately, it didn't go so well. So the wiring on the thumb did push out. I did fix that as well, and I'll probably do a shot of it just to show you how unattractive it looks. But besides that, I'm just picking off everything and then wiping it down with alcohol. It does look like I am being extra aggressive. I promise you I am not. I just have sped the video up for the sake of time and the sake of sleep. So I am using my very fine tweezers that I use when I do individual haired eyelashes. Once that's done, when you receive the Silpoxy, it needs to be punctured like a prescription cream or whatever. So the puncture portion is on the lid. I simply flipped it over and punctured it, and you'll see the silicone come out, and this is what you use to fill in any gaps, holes, tears, or whatever the forces might be that have destroyed your very expensive silicone hand. So it there is a video, if you go to the Ready Guana website, there's the video, like I said, that explains to you how to repair it. So step one, remove any kind of debris, anything that shouldn't be there, extension paraphernalia. And then step two, clean it off, use alcohol. I used 91% alcohol, and then what didn't remove with that, I just used acetone, but not a lot, and I did add some alcohol to it just to make sure it wasn't too strong. And then I am just squeezing a little bit out, and then using my cuticle pusher to even it out as best I can. However, the next step is going to be to use a nail extension. So I used a full extension to place it over where the silicone goes, and then you press it down, hold it for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, and then you leave it there for 24 hours. And once you remove it, you should have a brand new fingernail. So I'll let you go ahead and enjoy the satisfaction of this. I don't know why, but don't feel bad if you find it satisfying, because I do too. So anyway. I'll have your attention. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell right there. Thumbs up right there. Subscribe right there. Comment down there. You know the drill. Thank you to all our new subscribers, followers. We love you. We appreciate you. And we are happy that you are with us. Share this video if you know anyone that needs help fixing, because I don't think there's been like an updated one, or I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm just trying to make it as smooth as possible, fill in any of the gaps that I have, and then I am placing these tips. These tips are good. If you want to know the info on the tips, I will try to find it, but you can find those tips that I am using. These tips are not from Red Iguana. These are from our Amazon storefront. Feel free to shop it, and any other items that you want to shop for on Amazon. The link is in the description, and save some coins. And I'm sorry, I don't have a code for Red Iguana. If I do find one, I will put one in the description as well. The hand is very good. It's kind of expensive. And I know it's a little rough for a lot of us, including me. I ain't got it like that. So, just shop around. We do have another hand that is from Amazon that's also on our storefront on Amazon. So check that out as well. If you visit our storefront on Amazon, be sure to like the profile and give us a heart so that we can keep on giving you these reviews. Just splurge on money that we don't have just to save you some coin. I'm joking. But yeah, definitely give it a heart and a like. And that encourages us to keep on, grabbing these things and reviewing these things and all that fun stuff. So, excuse me, I'm going to finish, patting, smoothing, rubbing, repeat on these fingers. It looks so lifelike. This is the flexible hand, by the way. It's not the one, I'm sorry, not flexible, posable is how it's listed on the website. And I do see a few reviews that are on the Silicone adhesive, so check those out as well. And I am sure by now you see that this is 24 hours later, and we are removing the extensions to show how smoothly it was supposed to be. Unfortunately, it looked like some kind of alien pod. It was weird, but it was fun peeling off, I will say. I did do, there is some actual live towards the end. This will be the end of the voiceover. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, big thumbs up. Thank you so much for our oldies and those that are just joining us. We appreciate you. Unfortunately, if you did not enjoy it, I am so disappointed. However, that second place right there and those doors right there will lead you to the nearest exit. Please come back when you are over it. Don't be a lemon head. Let's get along. So you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Stay safe, stay everything positive, but most of all, stay beautiful. And I've enjoyed my time with you. Until next time.